Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Sienna with its key fob using an easy method. First, locate your key fob and familiarize yourself with its buttons, especially the lock and remote start icons. It's crucial to ensure your Sienna is in park before attempting any remote start, as this is a fundamental safety measure. Knowing these basics will make the process smooth and efficient for you. To begin the remote start process, first press the lock button on your key fob one time. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for at least 3 seconds. You should see the parking lights flash, and then the engine will start. This sequence ensures the vehicle receives the correct command, allowing you to warm up or cool down your Sienna before you even get inside. If your remote start doesn't work, first check your key fob battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, confirm that all doors, the hood, and the liftgate are completely closed, as the system will not engage if any are ajar. Finally, try to maintain a clear line of sight between your key fob and the vehicle, especially if you are far away, to ensure the signal transmits properly. If remote starting isn't an option, you can always start your Sienna manually by inserting the physical key into the ignition and turning it to the start position. This ensures you're never stranded and always have a reliable way to get going. And speaking of upgrades for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life much easier. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.